Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine today. As you know, we are going to draw a very nice fruit today. It's called the jackfruit. Let's start the drawing, and this is the holder on which the fruit is connected with the trees. It's like a branch, and we can draw a surface on the outside surface of this fruit. Usually, this fruit looks green, and when it's ripe it becomes yellow or dark green and a mixed of yellow and orange. So that's why the color may be multicolored with yellow and green, which is in the middle of ripening or the green fruit. It's called jackfruit and the national fruit of Bangladesh, the country which is situated in the South Asia. As you can see, there are lots of spiky shapes on the outside surface. This fruit is very large in size. Usually, we just peel out the outside surface, put the spiky part aside, and the nice juicy yellow, the fruit that's inside available. You can separate it, the segments, from the main body of the fruits, and then you can eat it. One single fruit can contain maybe 50 to 100 segments or the units of fruits. That's why if you just open up one single fruit, the whole family can take part and everybody got lots of shares. This is a very big fruit and also tasty. It tastes sweet because of the spiky segments outside. The animals and other birds, they usually cannot penetrate the surface of the outside, but I have shown you in other videos that in my another channel like Instablogs, that the birds penetrate the outside surface of the papaya. Sometimes this is very damaged, and most of the stuffs birds eat, so we got a little share. But in case of the jackfruit, you know, this is totally intact when you eat it. After putting the dark green shades, you can see in my drawing that I'm putting the light green shades. So the combinations of the multicolor green and yellow, dark green, light green, they just make these fruits very colorful. The perfect combinations of different colors make this fruit really colorful. Let's put the dark green at the border of this fruit. So I'm just filling up the outside border to the periphery, the dark green. It looks like a deeper shade, as you can see. Later I'm going to put the yellow color in the middle. In between the light green, I'm putting all those yellow colors. need lots of patience while we put the shades and the colors on this surface. All the things should be done very nicely. Mm-hmm. So the light green color, it's done. Now let's put some yellow in the middles of the surfaces to make this color, show that the fruit is almost ripened. After the fruit is ripe, then this is going to be very tasty to eat. That's why I'm putting the yellow colors and the combinations of green, light green and the yellow, making this fruit very nice. Alright, so now the yellow is getting its light shades all over the surface. Also, let's go through the periphery and the borders. As you can see that the fruit is looking good. Let's put few more spikes in the middle. With some deep dark colors. So you can see the drawing, it's going really nice. Usually we are seeing the spikes and the fruit. This is the stain on the surface. You can see the surface here. All right, the surface, that's really plain and nice. The drawing is done. You can follow all the instructions. Do practice again and again so that the drawing is going to be very nice. I wish and I hope you can draw better than this one, and keep practicing. The drawing is going to be good. You are going to make your day very good. And please subscribe the channel as you like the video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Before the closing, I can show you that this is a very nice environment. I'm drawing. It's all around. I'm on a rooftop on a house. All around is very green and green and green. Thank you so much. Have a good day.